So generally SQL, it's a structured query language. So it's a basic language to interact with the database. Language to interact or to work with the database. Is it, to work with, interact or to work with the database. So if you learn SQL, you can perform mainly 3 activities. So what are the 3 activities? So you can store the data into database, store the data into database. You can update or change the data. Another one is you can retrieve, okay, or fetch the data. So if you learn SQL, you can perform 3 activities mainly. So what is it? Storing the data, or changing the data, and retrieving or fetching the data. Once you are good with SQL, you can perform these 3 activities on database. So then what is the use of PLSQL? So what is the use of PLSQL? So generally
Sir, it's an
PLS,
extension language, I guess.
yes. It's a programming language. Extension to SQL. So then we'll call it as programming language SQL, or we can also call it as procedural language. Procedural language SQL. So generally, if we learn PLSQL, we can build logics on data, okay, as per business requirement. So that means if you learn PLSQL, we can build logics on data as per business requirement. For example, I will say you one real-time example. So see, IRCTC is there. IRCTC is it's a railway booking portal. So what we do in IRCTC, we book tickets. Is it? We book tickets. So we book ticket. So that means in the portal, what you are going to give, you are giving the source and the destination details. Okay, and destination details. And then, okay, number of members who are traveling, you are giving the information. So number of travelers or passengers. Okay, you will mention their all details, passenger details, and the type of train you are traveling, and the berth information. Okay, and the date of travel. So once after giving all these details, what at the last you are going to click, you are going to click book ticket. So book ticket. So once if you click on book ticket, based on your given details, your fare gets calculated. fare gets calculated. That means how many are adults, how many are children, either senior citizens or etc. etc. Based on the IRCT norms, the fare gets calculated, and and ticket gets generated. So that means under the button book ticket, a logic is written. Okay, logic is written. So that logic is based on the data already stored in database of IRCTC. That means what? In IRCTC, um, they will have the database, and in their database, they have their all source and destination details. They have all their trains related information and fare related information, everything. But as per your requirement, your source and destination is different from other. So as per your given information, your procedure gets the information from the tables which the data is already stored, and a unique ticket gets populated as per your given details. So this is possible only because of PLSQL. That is, you wrote a procedure under the book ticket button saying that so based on the given information, the fare has to calculate and the ticket has to generate.